One of the things I've been working on is the development of a tool in Python to help me with strategy selection in portfolios. I want to push the play button and you'll see how it takes all the equity curves out of the Excel spreadsheet, and you can run through those equity curves, and then it combines those equity curves in a drawdown curve in the very end, just the raw data of every single strategy, 257 strategies total. And then I also have an algorithm that I wrote to do a selection of which strategies to trade, and that is based on closed period moving averages. So this is the combined equity curve. A lot of the trend strategies have weighed this down quite a bit. You see a backtest of 2008. You see combining all these futures trading systems with one contract, and then the recent drawdowns, which is in line with the volatility. But what happens, I want to show you this. I'm running another one now. What happens when you here it is. I ran this, and this represents trading based on the Sharpe ratio. The best 10 Sharpe ratios on any given day are traded out of 257 strategies, and it's not my favorite one. You can see the drawdown is very low and the equity curve is very straight up. It's only 10 strategies. Here is what you get when you select the strategies. You select only the strategies whose 100 closed trade moving average. We're not looking at the last 100 days, because sometimes there's more than 20 or 30 days where a strategy doesn't trade. And so what we're doing, if you average, say, the 10 and the 20 period moving average of the last 10 and 20 days, you might get the average of the last 10 is flat and the average of the last 20 is flat, because it didn't take a trade for more than 20 days. So you're averaging the last 100 closed trade, that anytime the equity curve moved over the last 100 trading periods with the last 200. And if the 100 over the 200 is greater, then you select that system. And so every day you go in and you select the trading systems whose last 100 closed trade changes on an end of day basis is greater than the 200 closed trade changes. Then you select that strategy, and in 257 strategies you might get maybe 100 strategies. And so you select those 100 strategies for the next day, and you get a much nicer equity curve, a much lower drawdown level, and recent performance is much better as well. So I like the recent performance. The equity curve is moving higher with this setup. I was able to do this in Python. The reason I want to do this in Python is I want to potentially apply machine learning, which is a form of AI that will potentially look at these strategies as well as market data and make a prediction model based on which strategies to select, such as HMM, Hidden Markov Models. And so all that has to be programmed. This is just the beginning stages of portfolio strategy selection in Python. I want to share that with you today. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.